Good morning, guys. Basically, I've seen a lot of hype coming up recently about all the binary options platforms out there, and basically just wanted to clear the air. There are some really, really good binary option companies out there, and basically I've made quite a lot of money from trading. I've been trading now for about 12 years, and I've made quite a lot of money. If you look at my account so far, I've got just a little over $240,000 in there, and I've just made over $20,000 this month. So what I do is I normally track my growth, and as you can see, making continuous profit over and over every single month from trading binary options. It's very, very simple and easy to use. A lot of people think that you can't make a lot of money from doing it or so forth, but you can because I've traded everything before. I've traded futures, I've traded stocks, bonds, you name it, I've traded it, and I've made a lot of money from trading. A lot of people think basically at the end of the day that you need a lot of money, or basically you need a lot of experience in order to trade. With binary options, it's very, very easy. A lot of people think that you need to trade purely on technical analysis. It's got nothing to do with technical analysis, really. The most important thing when you trading is actually to look at your fundamental analysis, because you trade purely on news. If you trade just purely on technicals, anything could happen in the market where, as we don't know what speeches are coming out or so forth, even though we look at the economic calendar to give us some guidance, but you trade purely on technical analysis. I mean, if you look at it, what you could do is I've got quite a few feeds that actually help me. So I basically look at Bloomberg to give me some summary of how to trade and what to trade, really. And then also look at Reuters during the day. That also gives me some insight of basically what's happening in the markets, and so forth. UK markets, European markets, Asian markets, and you trade purely off the news. You know, a lot of people have this idea of 60-second binary option trading, but I don't believe it, because it's very, very risky at the end of the day. I rather trade sort of 1 hour trades, and know that my trade is safe based on the news and the market information that's coming out there. So again, really, really simple and easy way to trade binary options. I'll show you again. That's my account balance there. It's sitting at over $240,000 at the moment, and I've just made a little over $20,000 this month. So it just goes to show that when you are trading, there is a lot of money to be made in binary options. But basically, again, I mean, 95% of traders lose their money. We all know that because people become greedy, and trading is psychology at the end of the day. So basically, what I'm trying to say to you is, pace yourself, be patient, don't rush your trades. Do a bit of risk management. Only risk a certain percentage on a specific trade, and that way it will give you the fourth insight of what to do and how to do it. And that way you can actually maximize your profits as much as possible. You can look at technical indicators that do help, but again, you trade purely on the news. So, I mean, a lot of people know what support and resistance is, and it's just basically easy to go over all the stuff again. And with myself, I mean, I pace myself during the day. I don't do more than sort of 3 trades a day. So I look at good information coming out in the morning for the European markets, and then I look at some good information coming out in the evening for the afternoon for the US markets. So basically, you don't overtrade. If you decide, okay, I've lost 2 trades for the day, and let's say you've got $2,000 in your account, for example, don't carry on trading. Leave the trading for the day and continue the next day, because if you go back into the market again, you can obviously lose your money, which obviously is not a good thing, because people don't want to lose money, they want to just make money. And with myself, I find that if I do sort of 3 successful trades per day of about a $5,000 trade a day, I'll make roughly about $20,000 to $30,000 a month from trading, which is really, really good for me. And obviously I really like it at the end of the day. So just to clear the air, I think binary options is a very, very good and unique way to make money. If you guys want some help or need to know a bit more, just send me an email, and obviously we can go from there. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.